Now we are going to start the one of the important topic of biology is related to the molecules. So all molecules present in living organism is called biomolecule. It's related to the biochemistry. So a type of chemical reaction involved in the body cell is called biochemistry. So there are the cellular pool present in living cells. So all molecules present in living cell is called cell pool. Yeah, cellular pool. Cellular pools contain both inorganic and organic substance. Inorganic substance which mainly contain salt and minerals. So these are the various types of mineral like magnesium, manganese, molybdenum, copper, iron. These are the which help in the cellular process and other activities of the cells, help in the other activities such like ATP production, muscle contractions, electron carriers. So these are the function of the inorganic minerals. So next one is the organic substance mainly contain carbohydrate, protein and fat. And organic substance mainly two types, micromolecules and macromolecules. So in micromolecules mainly small organic molecules like monosaccharide, amino acids are present. In macromolecules mainly polymer of carbohydrate and nucleotides are present. That is in polysaccharides, glycogen and starch, and in polynucleotide DNA and RNA. So now we categorize the first we come to the carbohydrate. So what is carbohydrate? It is a principal source of energy. So we require the energy for any kind of the work. So mainly the carbohydrate, one of the carbohydrate glucose which help in which provide the source of energy. So carbohydrate is the most abundant in organic substance. So one of the organic substance like ribosco. So ribosco is the ribulose carboxylase which form during the during the carboxylation process during reduction of the CO2 to produce carbohydrate. And so carbohydrate is combination of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, and it divided into three category: monosaccharide, oligosaccharides and polysaccharide. ये polysaccharide yes see polysaccharide. So these are the categorized form. So one we come to the monosaccharide. So monosaccharide is the most sugar having general formula CH2O. So main monosaccharides are triose, erythrose, pentose, hexoses and haptolases. So main trioses are phosphoglyceraldehyde, erythrose, 4-phosphate, pentose, main pentose is ribose, xylose, ribulose, and hexose are two types, aldolases and ketose. So aldolases contain aldehyde group, functional group, and ketones contain ketone functional group. So aldolases are glucose, galactose, etc., and ketoses are fructose. So another glucose which is stored as a glycogen. So glycogen is the combination of the many glucose which is stored in liver and muscles in animals. And another monosaccharide is fructose. It is a ketonic group, functional group, and levulose. So sugar. So these free aldehyde and ketonic group reduce the copper ion to pipric ion जो होते हैं +2 to +1. This is also called reducing sugar. And galactose. So galactosides occur in brain. Mannose, aldohexoses which is present in the globulin protein, and mannitol is the alcohol of mannitol. So this is the this is the structure of the linear structure of the triose. So 3 carbon containing aldehyde group and another functional group. Another group is OH, hydroxyl group attached. So this is glyceraldehyde. Third with erythrose. So erythrose 4 carbon with functional group aldehyde and alcoholic group. Pentose 5 carbon with aldehyde functional group with many OH group. So this is the structure, and now we come to the hexoses. This is the linear structure of the hexoses. So 6 carbon both have, so glucose and fructose. So the difference between glucose and fructose, so they have, so in glucose functional group is aldehyde, and in fructose functional group is ketone. So this is the ectotomeric shifting takes place, where the shifting of the hydrogen to produce aldohexases and ketohexases. So this is the linear structure. Now the come to the, it is the cyclic ring structure. This is the structure of the glucose. This is the Furnose ring form. Furnose ring is the one of the last carbon which contain CH2 group, which is outside the ring. Outside the ring, here is the ring, outside the ring. The last group which is outside the ring. This is the Furnose ring. Pyranose ring in the pentose sugar. So this is the pentose, ribose and deoxyribose. So ribose which contain OH in second carbon, and oxygen removed from the second carbon of the ribose is called deoxyribose. So deoxyribose present in DNA, deoxyribose present in DNA, and ribose present in RNA. So this is all about carbohydrate and monosaccharide. Okay, next class we will discuss oligosaccharide. Okay, thank you.